Ballast installation. Refer to the construction package to determine the details of the required number of blocks per location. Place the ballast blocks in the primary locations, against the short leg of the tilt assembly, and as close as possible to the front of the tilt assembly so it doesn't interfere with the module frame. For a 4-block ballast configuration using tray clips, ensure you have rubber pads on both sides of the base rail. Feed the ballast tray clips through the tilt assembly and place the ballast blocks as shown. Repeat on the other side. For a typical 4-block ballast configuration, place the stack clip between the 2 ballast blocks, then take the ballast clip, stretch the clip, and install it over the ballast block's midspan. Place the additional ballast blocks on the stack clip. For a 6-block ballast configuration, follow the 4-block ballast configuration using ballast tray clips. Then, place an additional 2 blocks. Install a ballast tray clip on top to secure the ballast blocks.